I am Dr. Raj Parthdev. I have completed my masters in orthodontics. Currently, I am practicing at Vadodara, Ekdantai Orthodontic and Dental Care since 3 years. Orthodontics and dentofacial orthopedics, as the name suggests, doesn't only deal with malaligned teeth but disproportionate jaws as well. There is a misconception that braces is only for the young growing children, but that's not true. Age is just a number and braces can be given to any patient at any age to bring out the best in them. There are many Bollywood and Hollywood celebrities that have undergone orthodontic treatment. Depending on the severity of the malocclusion, the duration of the orthodontic treatment ranges from 1 year till 2.5 years. When we interact with any person, the first thing we notice about them is their eyes, and the second being the smile. So a beautiful smile is a confident you.
Our Doctor posts new health videos on Wednesdays and Fridays. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to never miss an update.